Hi guys, welcome back to the project and the channel. Before I get started, as promised, a quick shout out to my girl Kaylee. Hello. Sorry about that. Okay, so really exciting news. It's all working. As you can see, we're getting power and we're getting a voltage reading. So just a reminder what's happening. We're getting power voltage from the solar panel into the step down converter. That reduces it to 15 volts. That pumps out 24, reduces it to 15. That charges the Banana power station, and then we've got plugged in our Arduino Elegoo 2560, I think it is. Sorry. Yeah, 2560 microcontroller, and there's our voltage sensor. And if I sound really excited, it's because I really am. This is the first time I've done any soldering. I will promise you it looks a mess, but all the tests I did on the multimeter, continuity tests, all show good working circuits, and yeah, everything's good. It works first time. I absolutely cannot believe it. Brilliant. So next job, as you can see, I've got these Wago connectors. I've got all this that needs properly put in a container. Same with the buck converter, it all needs properly putting in a case. So it's just a case of, well, no pun intended, but so I can just plug it in. So it's going to be in a big plastic box. I can just plug USB cable in for the voltage reading. That'll be nicely put up and displayed. I need to alter settings on that so it stays on a bit longer. It sleeps for 30 seconds. Maybe I don't know, I'll think about that. I've also got another sensor upstairs that I might fit. That tells me the wattage and ampage that's being produced as well. But to be fair, all I ever tested what voltage, which is working. But we've got a working product with it's working. I'm so happy. Brilliant day, and we're getting a good 13 volts, and you know, it's nice and cloudy today, so yeah, buzzing, absolutely buzzing. Right, thanks for watching. I'll do a final video when I've printed all the boxes and got all this stuff nicely contained. But yeah, happy days. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye.